Hi guys, namaste, welcome to my channel Divine Energy Tarot. So we will see today what is the energy for you, what is coming up next for you, what has happened and what is going on in your life. So whatever the energy I'll see, I'll tell you today. And before we start the reading, please remember this will be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. So please take with a grain of, with the pinch of salt. And this is not a private reading. For private reading you can check the description box below, and for you can, or else you can join me on Instagram at Divine Energy Tarot. Link I have mentioned in the description box below, guys. And we will not waste much time, we will directly see with your options. So we have one option. Number one is this flower and this flower pot. Option number one, I hope you can see. Option number one is this flower and small flower pot. Okay. Option number two is this flower, pink color, big pink red combination flower and flower pot. Okay. Option number two. So you can just choose your option. Option number one is this. Option number two is this. I'll give you some time. Option number one. Option number two. You can pause the video, meditate on the video. We will start with this option. Okay, I hope you have chose your pile, you have chose your option. Option number one, option number two again. So we will start with this option number one. Okay, so what is going on? See, first of all, those who have chose this option, I can see you are a YouTuber, or you are a tarot reader, spiritual person, astrologer, psychic medium. You have those qualities, or you already have become a tarot reader or a YouTuber. Definitely you are a spiritual person watching this pile, those who have chose option number one. And if not, then I can see your intuition is very strong, and you should start your YouTube channel. You should start start doing tarot readings on social media and all this stuff. Okay. And those who's not watching, those who is not a tarot reader, others of you I am seeing, even if you are a tarot reader, we have received the Wheel of Fortune card. I hope you can see we have received the Wheel of Fortune card. So guys, big change is going to happen for you. Big changes are occurring for you. I'm so sorry, I'm just adjusting my camera. Big changes are going to occur for you. Your life is going to change 360 degree, and you have never expected. Even if you are a psychic medium, even if you are a tarot reader, even if you are not a tarot reader, psychic medium, even if your intuition is not strong, then also I can see, and even if your intuition is very strong, then also I am seeing that you will be shocked, you will be surprised, you will be shocked, you will be happy, you will be excited. Those sort of changes are coming. Even if you are a tarot reader, psychic medium, spiritual person watching, then also I am feeling like you have some sort of little bit of idea, like something good is going to happen, but you don't know that exactly what is going to happen, when it is going to happen. Okay, so you are going to get really famous worldwide. That is also what I am feeling for some of you. Okay, those who's already working on some project, especially spiritual, if you are a spiritual person. Okay. Okay, and I am also seeing someone is out there for you, who is your past life connection, past life soulmate, karmic connection. Karmic connection I am saying. Why? Because that person is your soulmate, but they are also, there is some karma connected. We all are actually connected with our karmic pattern, but specifically with this person is your soulmate. But with this lover cards, I am feeling some sort of karma is also attached with this person. So that person is coming in your life. If love is missing in your life, you are confused with lot of options, or else someone has put you in some sort of options, then you are going to find your perfect match, perfect soulmate. Okay, that is also what I am feeling. And if you are married, you have children, then you will get, and you are waiting for some sort of communication from your children, then you will get communication from them. That is also what I am feeling. We have received Page of Swords twice in different decks. Page of Swords, Page of Swords. I hope you can see. Twice we have received Page of Swords in different decks. Hope you can see, guys. So yeah. So definitely you will listen. You will get any sort of communication from your children if you are waiting for it. Okay, if they live out of country, or else some sort of good news you will receive from your children or your child. If you have a child, then from them. Okay. Others of you, if you are continuously, fighting in fighting mode, fighting with others, you feel alone, you have never got chance to express yourself, nobody understood you, then this time, with this Wheel of Fortune card, bad energies will be removed, okay, from your life, and you will be able to express yourself. You'll be able to calm yourself. And also there is a message for you that meditate and contemplate. Okay, meditate and contemplate. I hope you can see this card. Yeah, so there is a message for you: meditate and contemplate. New moon in Pisces. So you should do some new moon rituals. Okay, if you want something specific in your life, then you should do some new moon rituals. Okay, and also meditation is you should do some meditation. That is the message for you. Okay, strongly that message is coming for you. And angels are talking to you, but you are not getting their signs, or you are not getting their message, or I don't know, you are confused. Some of you, if you are a tarot reader watching this channel, you are a tarot reader or spiritual person, then you do get angels signs and messages, and you do understand. Okay, but if you have some specific question and doubt in your mind, then look for a sign. That is the message for you. Look for a sign. Okay, for example, if you want to ask that, is this person correct for me, then show me this color, flower, for example, yellow color flower, real flower. Okay, within 7 days. So you can ask those sort of questions to your angels, and you will get a specific answer. And others of you angels are talking to you, but you are not able to understand. So the message for you is, try to calm your mind, do meditation, do some yoga, and go within, and look for a sign. The angels are giving you signs, symbols, but you just need to grab that sign. Okay, so just meditate, and you will get that sign. Okay. Also, some of you, I'm feeling, don't be misled. That is the message. Don't be misled. When fear speaks, it's always wrong, unless being chased by wild beast. And when love speaks, it's always right. Okay, so if you are fearful of something or someone, then don't listen to your fear. Don't listen to your fear. Always listen to your inner self, your intuition and love. Okay, don't take decisions with fears. Always take decisions with love. That is the message for you, for some of you. And don't be misled by someone. If someone is buttering you or trying to influence you negatively, just be careful. Don't be misled. Oneness is our true nature. That is the message for you. Those who is misled by wrong people and by fear. Okay, and Pisces month will be important to you. In Pisces month, maybe you will see some result. For some of you, you are a Pisces sign or dealing with a Pisces sign. Another signs I am seeing Gemini, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini sign I am seeing over here. Yeah, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, and Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn as well. So others of you, if you have chose someone, or someone was like treating you as an option, then that person is becoming mature. Okay, maturity is coming in them. If you are this person, who has a lot of option and you are confused and you don't know whom to choose, how to choose, then maturity is coming within you. Okay, so that is why the message for you, specifically for those of you who is confused in choosing life partner, you know, just meditate and contemplate. Okay, and if you or your person is suppressing their emotions, then I am seeing, you know, that throat chakra will be healed and that their throat chakra will be open. That is also what I am feeling. Okay, yeah. What else I am getting? Let me pull out one card. Three of Cups. Okay, someone's birthday is coming, maybe your friend or your colleague or your relative or anyone. This can be someone's birthday is coming, some sort of get together can happen, or you'll go out, you'll enjoy, you know, someone's birthday or some sort of small celebration is coming. Okay, this can be with your friend, with your colleagues, with your relatives. Okay, or this can be just a get together. So some sort of celebration is coming. Okay, and someone's birthday or any sort of celebration it can be, but I am feeling, you know, your someone's friend's birthday is coming. Okay, so yeah, that is what I'm feeling, guys, for you. So that's coming for you, and you're going if you are looking for a house, home, stability, you are looking for a house, you don't have your own house, you are renting an apartment. If you are looking for your own house, then I'm saying you'll get your own house. If you want to buy a new car, you'll get it. If you want you know, some sort of particular two-wheeler, four-wheeler, some sort of particular sports bike or sports vehicle, then I can see you will get that. If you wanted to buy some sort of costly jewelry, diamond, gold, silver, any sort of costly jewelry, then I am seeing you are going to get buy it. A lot of money is coming, abundance is coming. For some of you, if you are waiting for love or marriage or committed relationship, then also I am seeing, you know, a lot of love is coming your way, guys, and sun is going to shine on you. Okay, yeah. For some of others of you, I am seeing Kundalini awakening. That is what I am feeling. Your Kundalini is going to awake. Okay, and your wish is going to fulfill, your big wish is going to fulfill. Okay, and if you are feeling someone is bothering you, someone is disturbing you, then those energy will be removed out of your life. Okay, those people will be removed out of your life. Negative people, negative influence will be removed out of your life. But also you need to meditate and contemplate. That is what I am feeling. Pile 2. Now we will move to the pile 1. So now we will move to the pile 2. Maybe you have chose pile 2. Maybe some of my viewers, you know, sometimes it happens they choose both options, pile 1, pile 2. So some of you might have chose option number 1 and 2 both. So you can go and watch. Okay, and now we will move to the pile 2. Thank you so much. Namaste, love and light to you. Bye bye, guys. Okay, welcome to option number 2. Those who have chose this flower pot. Okay, this flower pot. Let's see what is the energy for you, what is going on, what is coming up for you, guys. Your dreams need a practical plan. Full moon in Taurus, so you are a Taurus sign, or you might be dealing with a Taurus sign. Thunderbolt. So definitely a tower movement has happened. Integration. Okay, aloneness. So you might be single or feeling alone even if you are married. Okay, integration and change card. So change is going to come. Your situation is going to change. 2 of Pentacles. So some sort of confusion, conflicts are going on, or juggling is going on. Also financial juggle and personal life juggle also I am seeing. The Fool card. So new beginning will happen. Death. Definitely something has ended in your life. Okay, oh my god, we have received the Fool twice. Okay, the Fool card twice we have received from 2 different decks. Hope you can see the Fool. Hope you can see. Okay, so twice we have received the Fool card. We have received 8 of Wands. So definitely some sort of good news is going to come in your life, definitely in the near future, very soon. So yeah, in the near future some sort of good news you will receive. Be true to yourself. Okay, and another card is my energy creates my reality. What I focus on is what I will manifest. So think positive. Okay, focus on positive things. That is the message for you. Okay, so first of all, those who have chose this pile number 2, option number 2, okay, you have a lot of dreams, but your dreams need a practical plan. You need to take action. Okay, for example, if you want to if you want new job, then you have to apply for that job, then you will have to go for that job, so your dreams need a practical plan. In recent past, definitely something has ended for you, or something shocking has happened to you. It was unexpected, sudden ending, big ending, big fight, big thing has happened, big event has happened in your life, which has shaken you from bottom of your heart. I am feeling that. Okay, but that was necessary for you to grow, that was necessary for you to start something new, that was necessary for your foundation to be strong. Okay, so new beginning is going to happen with this Fool card. Some of you are on twin flame journey, that is what I am feeling. Yeah, you are on twin flame journey, and if this Tower movement has happened, if this ending has happened with your twin flame, then I am seeing a new beginning will start. Okay, and you will meet your twin flame, you will reunite with your twin flame. So your dead end relationship completely ended, dead relationship will come to life. Okay, others of you, if you haven't met your twin flame yet, you are going to meet your twin flame very soon, very soon. Maybe in Taurus season for some of you. Yeah, okay, in the near future you are going to meet your twin flame. And if you are in separation, your relationship is ended with your twin flame, or it was dead, relationship was dead, relationship was dead, your breakup has happened, separation has occurred, now you don't talk to each other, then in the near future I am seeing you will reunite. Okay, you guys will reunite and new beginning will happen. Okay, for you. And your aloneness, your whatever shocking has ended in your life, whether relationship or a job, now something new is going to start for you. And your aloneness, your aloneness, your loneliness is going to wiped out from your life, is going to be removed. Yeah, and you'll start feeling happy again. And I'm also seeing good news is coming your way. Good news with this Fool, and with this 8 of Wands card. Good news is coming your way very soon. New beginning is going to happen, especially if you are on a twin flame journey. And if you are not on a twin flame journey, then also I am feeling something new is going to start for you with your twin flame. Even if your breakup has happened, if you are in separation, then also I am seeing the dead relationship is going to come to the life, and you will get some good news in the near future from your twin flame, from your partner. Okay, and what is the message for you from angels? That be true to yourself, be true to yourself till that time. Okay, you may not ever understand what's going on in their life, but you can always figure out what's going on in your life. So if you had a breakup with your partner, with your twin flame, then I am seeing you are in separation, you have not talked to each other since long time, maybe you are not in contact, not in touch, you don't know what is going on, you are not added in social media, so you have no idea what is going on in their life. Maybe you have deleted, or they have deleted social media, or you have blocked each other. Whatever the reason, you have no idea, your breakup has happened, relationship is ended. Okay, now that relationship will come to the life, and you have no idea what is going on in their life. So till that time they are coming back to you. Okay, they are going to communicate to you. Okay, and new beginning will happen with your twin flame, with the same past person with whom you had a tower moment, with whom you had a sudden ending, unexpected ending. So till that time, be true to yourself, focus on yourself. And message for you is that you may never understand what is going you may not ever understand what is going on in their life, but you can definitely always figure out what is going on in your life. So that is the message for you. Okay, in the near future your twin flame is coming definitely. And if your twin flame or you were juggling in money situation, you or your twin flame or you or your partner was juggling in money situation, or in partner, in choosing perfect partner, then I can see their confusion will be removed. If they were confused between you and somebody else, then they remove you know, that confusion will be removed out of their life. That is also what I am feeling. And my energy creates my reality. What I focus on is what I will manifest. With this card, you know, you need to be positive. Okay, focus on positivity, that they are with you, everything will be fine, new beginning is going to happen, think positive. Okay, that will create your reality. That is the message for you, because I can see those who's watching, you are a good manifester. Okay, you are a good manifester. You can be you are in a magician energy. I mean, you can manifest, attract whatever you want. You can influence people positively. So just focus on positive things. That is what I am feeling. Okay, with this the death card and the fool card next to each other, what I am feeling is, you know, new beginning is going to happen for you. Definitely something which has ended in past or recent past or long back, even 1 year, 1.5 years, 2 years, 10 months. So something has ended, or before 5 months, recent past or long back, or before few years, something has ended. Some relationship or thing or job, I don't know what has ended, but I can see a twin flame relationship has ended. Okay, for others of you it can be job or situationship or anything. So whatever has ended, which has given you shock, till now you feel that shock, till now you till this time you cry, you think about it, you get upset, you know, this relationship is ended, or this situation has ended. Then I can see new beginnings very fast is going to happen in the near future, like very very soon. Okay, in the near future, and you will get good news about that particular situation. Okay, some sort of good news you will receive about that particular situation, which has caused you a tower moment. I mean, which has given you sudden shocking ending. Okay, and if you're feeling alone, your loneliness will be removed out of your life, and big change is going to happen. Maybe you have watched pile 1 also, and in pile 1 also I have felt that you people have chose both option. My few viewers watch my both options, so this can happen. Okay, so yeah, if you are attracted to, you can watch pile 1. Okay, so this is what is coming for you. So my cards are over here, so I am like looking at those cards again and again. So yeah, I'm not looking into the camera much, I'm so sorry for that. So yeah, definitely you guys are on twin flame journey for sure, and you are going, if you are going to meet your twin flame very soon. And if you already know who is your twin flame, then you are going to reunite with them, because I can see most of you know your twin flame, and you had a breakup with your twin flame. This relationship was ended, and new beginning is going to happen for you in that. Okay, and one card I just want to pull out for you, just for the closure. I mean, to close this reading. Yes, definitely the world card. I hope you can see. With this world card, your big one karmic cycle has ended, guys. Big one karmic cycle has ended. Now new beginning will happen. Okay, and now you are free. Now you are free from your karmas, old karmas, bad karmas. Now everything good will happen. Good karmas will come your way, come towards you. Good karmas will come towards you, and you can travel also for some of you out of country if you wish to. If you wish to settle and live in another country or abroad, you want to travel somewhere, this is going to fulfill. Your dream is going to be fulfilled. So one cycle has completed, bad karmas over. Now good karmas are coming, new beginning will happen, new cycle will happen. Now you will be free. Now you are free. Now you have a clean slate. Okay, now you have a clean slate, and you can write your story, rewrite your story from the beginning. Okay, so just be positive. Okay, write your own book. Okay, because you have a blank book in front of you. You just need to rewrite it, you just need to write it. And yeah, be positive, and everything positive is going to happen very soon for you. And signs I am seeing over here: Scorpio, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and yeah, this much. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Yeah, so strong Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, strong Taurus and Scorpio I am seeing. After that I am seeing Virgo, Capricorn, and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So yeah, and Aquarius also. Yeah, so this is what I feel for you, pile 2. I hope you liked it. I hope you have got some insights that what is the energy, what is going on in your life, what is coming up for you, what was your past, what is your present, what is your future. And please remember, this will be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with each and every one of you guys. Hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Namaste, love and light to you. And you can join me on Instagram at Divine Energy Tarot. Link I have mentioned in the description box below, guys. Like, share, subscribe, guys. Please. Thank you so much. Bye-bye, guys.